I think together we in the upstate grow and we innovate.
Economic growth of this magnitude is only achieved through collaboration.
My name is Michael Stokes. I am with Material Handling Solutions and I am the sales and business development person. Material Handling Solutions is really a solutions-based company that we provide material handling in manufacturing. Everybody has to take material in and then push a product out. That's where we offer solutions in ability to move it safely, move it quickly, and move it without damaging the product. The teamwork that MHS has experienced through the upstate has been very beneficial. I've had the opportunity to meet a lot of people, whether they be contractors, engineers, architects, development groups, whatever they may be, and understand what their real needs are instead of assuming what their needs are. Because when you can get in a room and have a relaxed conversation about what do you really need to hear and what do you really need to see and what really is beneficial to your company, it allows me to be a better vendor. So one of the things that I've found being a member of the Upstate Alliance is it allows me to put people in a room to be collaborative and work together that I normally wouldn't have the opportunity to. I believe together we can make a bigger difference than we ever will alone.